They say love is about holding on, about fighting for someone no matter what. But sometimes, love is knowing when to let go. I learned this lesson the hard way. His name was Daniel, and for a while, I thought he was my forever. I remember our first real conversation. It was autumn, the air crisp and filled with the scent of fallen leaves. He made me laugh, one of those laughs that feel like sunlight cracking through the cold. We were inseparable after that. We built a world together. A world where love meant never leaving, never doubting, never letting go. But love isn't just laughter and late-night talks. It's also the moments when silence grows heavier than words, when you start to feel like a guest in the place you once called home. "I just need space," he said. And space is what I gave him. I thought space was temporary. That love, real love, would find its way back. So I held on. I made excuses. I filled the silence with hope. But hope can be heavy when you're carrying it alone. And then it happened. The moment when I knew, truly knew, that love wasn't something you begged for. Love wasn't supposed to feel like waiting outside in the rain, hoping for a door to open. And I realized the person I loved was no longer mine to hold. Letting go doesn't mean love was a mistake. It means love did what it was meant to do. It changed me. It taught me. Sometimes, love means giving someone the freedom to find their happiness, even if it's not with you. And maybe, just maybe, it means giving yourself that freedom too. Love is never about possession. True love means wanting the best for someone, even if that means setting them free. And sometimes, in letting go, we find the love we were always meant to have, the love we give ourselves. If this story touched your heart, share it with someone who needs to hear it. And don't forget to subscribe for more lessons on love and life.